Want to build passive income with crypto yield farming? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, choose a reliable DeFi platform like Uniswap, Aave, or PancakeSwap, which is the one that I'm using right now. Stick to platforms with strong security records and high liquidity. Second, pick the cryptocurrency pair you want to farm. Popular options include stablecoins pairs like USDT/USDC for lower risk, or tokens like Ethereum/BNB for higher potential returns. Third, connect your Web3 wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Make sure it's funded with tokens you'll be staking and enough native tokens for gas fee. Fourth, head to the farming or liquidity pool section. Deposit your tokens and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once staked, you'll start earning rewards automatically. Fifth, monitor the APY, which is annual percentage yield, and risks. High yields may look tempting, but they often come with volatility or impermanent losses. Sixth, diversify your strategy. Don't lock all your funds into one pool. Spread all across stablecoin farms and major token pairs for balance. Finally, claim and reinvest your rewards regularly or swap them into stablecoins to secure profits. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.